Twinkle Cubs.
A is for almond in a treat. B is for brownies we love to eat. C is for chocolate, creamy delight. D is for dark, so rich and bright. E is for eclairs filled with cream. F is for fudge like a sweet dream. G is for ganache, smooth and yummy. H is for hot cocoa, warms our tummy. I is for icing, swirled on top. J is for jelly beans in a shop. K is for KitKat, crispy and sweet. L is for lollies, a sugary feat. M is for M&M's, colorful fun. N is for nougat, soft as a bun. O is for Oreo, twist and dunk. P is for popsicles, frozen chunk. Q is for quick bites, we love to chew. R is for rocky road, gooey too. S is for s'mores by the fire's glow. T is for truffles in a fancy row. U is for upside down cake surprise. V is for vanilla with chocolate ties. W is for wafers, crispy and neat. X is for extra sprinkles on our treat. Y is for yummy bars we all adore. Z is for zillion chocolates, we want more. Now we know our ABCs. Chocolatey treats from A to Z.
Please subscribe, like and share for more videos.